Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best kids pool sticks is probably one of the most exciting and engaging ways to introduce your children to the wonderful world of billiards, fostering hand-eye coordination, strategic thinking, and a healthy dose of friendly competition right in your own home. These specially designed cues are crafted to be perfectly sized and weighted for younger players, ensuring they can comfortably grip and maneuver the stick, making every shot a fun and rewarding experience as they learn the fundamentals of the game and develop a lifelong passion for pool. Number 5. Wooden Billiard House Cue Sticks, set of 2. Crafted from high-quality wood, these billiard cues offer a stable structure that's built to last. They are designed not to break or deform easily, ensuring a reliable experience. At 36 inches long with a 13mm tip, these cues are suitable for both children and adults. They are perfect for family fun, business recreation, and serious games at the club. Featuring a two-piece center joint, these cues are easy to store. A protective rubber end cap ensures they stay in great condition. Experience a comfortable feel and excellent grip with these cues. Their good elasticity and stable force transmission help you play your best game. These lightweight and stylish cues have a 3/4 split design with a threaded interface for a seamless connection. This design ensures stable force transmission and improves your accuracy. With their durable construction and thoughtful design, these cues are ready for any game. Enjoy a superior billiard experience every time you play. What we like. If you are looking for an economical option that is still made from high-quality wood, this set is a great choice. Its stable structure ensures durability, and the two-piece design with a rubber end cap makes it easy to store and protect. This is perfect for families or casual players who want a reliable cue without breaking the bank. What people say. The sticks are the perfect size for kids, making it easy for them to hold and use. They are lightweight and durable, holding up well to frequent use by children. The smooth finish on the sticks prevents splinters and makes them safe for little hands. Number 4. 4-piece Canadian Maple Pool Stick Set. Elevate your game with this complete set of 4 pool cues. It's the perfect addition to your billiards equipment, ensuring you always have enough for everyone when hosting. Crafted from high-quality hardwood Canadian maple, these cues are built for durability. They feature a steel joint, Irish linen wrap, 13mm fiber ferrule, and a glue-on leather tip for a superior feel. Each cue measures 58 inches and comes in weights of 18, 19, 20, and 21 ounces. The two-piece take-apart design makes them easy to transport and store. Stand out on the table with cues in 4 different colors. You'll easily distinguish your stick from your opponent's, preventing any mix-ups. Whether for personal use or as a gift, our dedicated customer support team is available 24/7. We're here to assist you with any questions or needs you may have. What we like. If you frequently host game nights or have multiple players, this set of 4 is ideal. Made from durable Canadian maple, these cues come in different colors, so no one will mix up their stick. It's a practical choice for ensuring everyone has a cue ready for play. What people say. The pool sticks are a good size for kids. They are lightweight and easy for children to handle. The sticks are durable and have held up well to use. Number 3. POCUSTIK 58 2-piece Canadian Maple Pool Cue. Make a statement with this uniquely designed pool cue. Its brilliant, hand-painted pattern and sleek metallic finish are sure to turn heads on any table. Experience unparalleled comfort and control with its unique, hand-polished wavy grip. This design offers superior anti-slip performance and durability for enhanced gameplay. Crafted from 100% hand-selected AAA-grade Canadian hard maple, this shaft provides medium deflection and exceptional straightness. It's built for serious players seeking robust construction. Each cue undergoes meticulous inspection and assembly. We ensure you receive a reliable, high-performance stick that's built to last, thanks to our strict manufacturing oversight. Your set includes a premium cue stick, chalk, and a maintenance manual. Choose from various weights and colors to find your perfect match. Available in multiple colors and weights from 18 to 21 ounces, this 58-inch, 2-piece cue is ideal for house bars or home tables. Enjoy 24/7 support with your purchase. What we like. If you appreciate aesthetics and superior control, this cue is for you. Its striking hand-painted design makes it stand out, while the ergonomic grip ensures comfort and anti-slip performance. Crafted from premium AAA Canadian maple, it's perfect for players who want a stylish and high-performing cue. What people say. The sticks are lightweight and easy for kids to handle. They are durable and have held up well to frequent use. The set includes different sizes, which is great for growing kids. Number 2. POCUSTIK 4-pack Canadian Maple Pool Cues. Elevate your game with this complete set of 4 billiard cues. Perfect for any home bar or game room, they come in 4 distinct weights and vibrant colors. Make a statement with these uniquely designed cues. Each one features stunning hand-painted metallic artistry with a scratch-resistant coating for lasting brilliance. Experience superior performance with cues crafted from pro-grade AAA Canadian maple. This premium wood ensures optimal elasticity and balanced play, built for durability. Enjoy maximum control and comfort with the championship ergonomic grip. Its hand-sculpted design and anti-skid surface ensure a locked-in feel, even during intense matches. This set includes everything you need for professional pool cues, 2 high-grip chalks, and a care guide. Enjoy peace of mind with our dedicated support. What we like. For those who want a cue that combines visual flair with professional-grade performance, this set is a top contender. The exclusive metallic hand-painted design is eye-catching, and the pro-grade AAA Canadian maple shaft ensures balanced play. Its championship ergonomic grip offers maximum control, making it suitable for serious home bar play or competitive enthusiasts. What people say. These pool sticks are perfect for kids, they are lightweight and easy for them to handle. The length of the sticks is adjustable, which is great as my child grows. They come with a nice carrying case, making them easy to store and transport. Number 1. 4-piece Maple Billiard Pool Cue Set. Experience ultimate comfort with our imitation linen wrap. It provides a non-slip, moisture-resistant hold that reduces hand fatigue, ensuring your stroke remains smooth and relaxed. Crafted from hard maple, these shafts are laser-checked for straightness and resist warping. The stainless steel joint ensures a tight, wobble-free connection, and a scratch-resistant coating protects against daily wear. This set of 4 cues is ideal for house bars or game rooms. With balanced weights from 18 to 21 ounces, everyone can find their perfect match for exciting 8-ball and 9-ball nights. Turn heads with our eye-catching, 9-layer hand-painted designs. Sealed under a high-gloss UV coat, these cues offer a striking look you'll be proud to show off. Enhance your game with low-deflection maple shafts and a pro taper. They are designed to help you control spin and aim with consistent accuracy, supporting your growth from beginner to league play. This set includes 4 cues, 2 chalks, and a care guide. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year manufacturer warranty and responsive customer support. What we like. If comfort and precision are your top priorities, consider this set. The imitation linen grip provides a cool, non-slip hold that reduces fatigue during long games. With low-deflection shafts for consistent accuracy and a set of 4 ready for group play, it's perfect for families or game room gatherings where everyone wants to play their best. What people say. The pool sticks are a good size for kids. They are lightweight and easy for children to handle. The sticks are durable and have held up well to frequent use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.